That one viral video will ruin your channel, I'm telling you. And I will tell you why I said so. Now, one thing I've come to realize is that when a lot of people start YouTube channels, especially all these new YouTubers, they'll be like, oh, I'm just praying for that one viral video, that one viral video that will change my YouTube channel, that one viral video that will change my life, that one viral video that, hey, I'll just be smiling. See, in as much as you are praying to get a viral video, also pray that that viral video will help your channel for good, because that viral video has the tendency to destroy your channel. I'm telling you, I've come across videos of people lamenting and saying, oh, that viral video I got on my channel destroyed my channel, and now they are starting another channel because when they posted that video, the video got a lot of views, and then they cashed out, they made money from it, and then they post the next video, and the next video are getting 50 views, 80 views, when you had a previous video that had like 200,000 views, 100,000 views, 300 or something thousand views. Do you understand? So what am I trying to say now? In as much as you pray that you get a viral video, also pray that you have the ability to be consistent in that line, because most viral videos will give you the watch hour you are looking for. They will give you a lot of subscribers. You know, you have been looking for subscribers all this while. 1,000 subscribers, I'm looking for that viral video will give you more than the subscribers you want. It will give you watch hour. It will, you understand, a lot of people will come across your channel and then they will subscribe, some will like, some will comment, and they will go. So when next you post another video and that video is not related to what those people watched in the first place, they are not going to come back. That is why most times you don't have returning viewers, because they just view and they left, and now they are not coming back to watch your next video. That is why I will advise you that it's not all trend on YouTube that you jump into because you want to make money on YouTube. So see what is trendy, let me do it. No. If it is in your line of content, you can go ahead and do it. I did a video on fake background, and it's the reason why I did that video was because it was in my line of content. I also teach people how to edit on this channel, and I also talk about YouTube tips and tricks, and you get. So when I noticed that this though it did not, mine didn't blow up, mine didn't I didn't monetize with that video, like you get, but a lot of people did, and I know people that got monetized with that video. This background is fake, you know that video now. So I noticed that a lot of people were doing that kind of content. Even somebody that is into vlog, you do vlog, you show people around, you show people your lifestyle and the rest. Now because fake background was trending, they had to jump into it and they did it. And for some people they got views and some people did not get views. So that is how it works. So what am I trying to say? If you want to do a video that is trending, make sure that it's something that is in your line of content, so that by the time it blows up on your channel and you get a lot of subscribers and everything, like the watch hour, you get monetized and the rest, when you post a video next time that is similar to that, they will come back. Like a good number of them will come back. That is one thing that is destroying a lot of people's YouTube channel, but they don't know. They'll be like, but I went viral now. I went viral and I was able to monetize with this video. So why is my next video not doing well? Why is this one not doing well? Why is that one not? See, that one viral video that you are looking for, it has the tendency of destroying your channel if you are not careful. That's why you are not supposed to jump on every trend. If you see something that is trending on YouTube, ask yourself, is this in my line of content? If it's not in your line of content, leave it alone. Or you create a new YouTube channel and start creating content on that area. You understand? You cannot be doing everything on one YouTube channel because this one is trendy. You want to start posting this because this one is trendy. You want no, don't do that. If you see that, oh, fake background is trendy and your kind of content is like lifestyle and the rest, you'll be like, I have interest in this thing. No, I might blow up, because one thing is that we don't know the kind of video that will blow our YouTube channel. We don't know that will blow up the YouTube channel. So we just keep trying and trying and trying. So if you're interested in that kind of content that is trending and it's not in your line of content, I will advise you to create another YouTube channel. I know people that have 3 YouTube channel, 4 YouTube channel, 5 YouTube channel. They have it and they are doing well in it. So nobody says you must have one YouTube channel for life. No, you can have another YouTube channel and you make money from there too. You get. So in as much as you are praying to get a viral video, also make sure that you are able to build a community. See, it matters a lot. When we talk about community on YouTube, we are talking about customers, like the customers you have on your business, you get. Because when there are some people, if their customer, if they are the person they buy from is not in the market, they will not buy from another person. There are people like that, you get. So you should build a community on YouTube, so that when you post a video, these people, they cannot see your video and slide. No, build a community, so that when they see your video, they'll be like, oh, my favorite YouTuber has posted, let me see what she has to tell us. You get. That one viral video can destroy your channel. Don't say I did not tell you. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you for free now. So you have to be careful. You have to be mindful of what you post, because you don't even know the kind of content that will blow up. So we just keep posting and posting, because we don't know the kind of content that will do well on our channel. So then you just post any other content, and before you know it, film, and before you know it, the video just picked up, and then watch hour, subscriber, everything is happening so fast. And then these people that are subscribing, they are waiting for the next one you will post that is related. Then you post and they are like, waiting with this. They swipe. So that is one thing that normally happens that a lot of people don't know. So you have to be careful. In as much as you are praying for a viral video, also try to build a community and try to post content that you know that somebody that viewed others, they would like to also view the next one. Not today you are teaching us how to make hair. Tomorrow I'm coming to your channel, I'm seeing how to sew clothes. Next tomorrow I'm coming again, I'm seeing how to bake cake. What happen now? What happen? It's too much. Even though you want to be doing different stuff on your channel, I know it's your channel, nobody is dragging it with you. So make it not pass 2. Let it not be more than 2. If you are doing different stuff on your channel, it should not be more than 2. Don't confuse your audience, you get. So guys, that is it for this video. If you have had a viral video before and you are like, that viral video destroyed my channel, please let me know in the comment section and drop your thoughts, drop your what you think, drop your comments for me, guys, and I am waiting to respond to it. Thank you guys for your support, for your love, for your care. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.